Hello, hi, I'm Santosh Kasturi. Welcome back. Photo Fountain, get ready to capture anything. In this video, I'm going to discuss about how you're going to follow the video tutorials and the table of the contents of the course. So let's get started. How you need to follow these video tutorials is, I will be sharing the information about the video which you have to watch for the next step learning, related videos, from which video you have to start the course, etc. For example, once after you finish watching this video, go to the video description and you will find all the information over there. Table of contents of the course. I have divided my basics of photography into two parts. 1. Focusing. 2. Exposure. In focusing part, I'll be discussing how to focus subject with respect to whether my subject is going to be still or moving. And also in the exposure, you need to choose the right exposure settings according to the photography goal. Let us take this photography scenario as an example. If I want to capture this bird, I need to take a right decision making on the focusing settings and also in the exposure settings before you capture this photograph. Well, focusing and exposure plays a major role in analyzing any photography scenario that you want to capture. What I will not be discussing in these two parts is whether my image is going to be something like this or this. I will be discussing only the concept to achieve the photography scenario and also considering the best quality of the image every time. Let me just show you some of the photographs which I have shot with Sony a7 Mark II and RX10 Mark III. Both are crop sensored cameras. All the photographs I have shot with a 55 to 300mm kit lens. And you can just check in the images how accurately I have focused on the subject and the quality of the image.